Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create smooth transitions like this in the CapCut mobile. So first that you need to do is import your videos, the video that you want to edit into CapCut. So I have 3 videos like this. And after you add your videos, what you need to do is slow down the video. So I here slow down my video into 0.6 times like this, and then you can do the steps for all of the videos. So slow down all video into 0.6 times, and after that add 2 keyframes on each video, one at the start and one at the end like this. And on all of the second keyframe, you need to go to the opacity and then lower the opacity of the video into 50 like this. Okay, just repeat the same steps for all of the video. And after this, go to the beginning and add the white overlay from the CapCut library. You can find it under the background category, this white videos right here. Okay, shorten it to be the same with your videos, and don't forget to adjust the size until it covers all of the clip. Go to splice and then select overlay, and you can lower the intensity if it's too bright. I'm going to go with 50. Click on a check icon and duplicate it and put it for all of the clips. Don't forget to adjust the duration. So after the white overlay added, you can just go to animations on the white overlay and add the fade out animations. So for the fade out, set it all the way the same with the video. Then the last step that you need to do is add the halo blur effects that you can find under the opening and closing. Add this halo blur, adjust the speed to 100, intensity to around 30, and set the length based on to your liking. Duplicate it and put it on the beginning of each clip. And after that, you are done, and you'll have the smooth transitions that you want. And this is the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.